How to disable social updates on Deezer mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to disable social updates on Deezer mobile. First, then open Deezer, and here you will find this settings icon here in the top corner. Click on it and then click notifications, and here you will find social updates. And now all you need to do, if you want to disable it, just click on it. And as you see here, now just wait 2 days and it will be saved. Then just go back, and as you see, that's how to disable it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end and see you in the next video.